Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove photos from Zillow public view. First, understand that Zillow only allows verified homeowners to modify property photos. This is a security measure to protect privacy and ensure listing accuracy. You'll need to claim your home on Zillow, which involves a simple verification process. Once verified, you gain control over your property's listing, including the ability to manage and remove unwanted images. This is the only way to directly control the photos displayed. To begin, visit Zillow and search for your property address. Once on your home's specific page, locate the "Is this your home?" section, usually found near the top. Click on this prompt to initiate the claiming process. Zillow will guide you through verification steps, which typically involve confirming details from public records or sometimes a phone call. This crucial step establishes you as the official owner, granting you editing privileges for the listing. Once your home is successfully claimed, you'll gain access to your owner dashboard on Zillow. From there, look for an option like Edit Photos or Manage Photos within your property's listing details. Clicking this will display all current images associated with your home. You can then easily select and remove any photos you no longer wish to be publicly visible. Remember to save your changes to ensure the updates are applied to your listing. After removing photos, please allow a short period for the changes to fully propagate across Zillow's platform. Sometimes, it can take a few hours for the updates to reflect completely. Double-check your listing to confirm all unwanted images are gone. If you encounter any issues, Zillow's support team can provide assistance. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.